Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Global Tongue. I'm your friend Sanjit Vishwakarma, and this is my small office. And today I thought of making this video inside my office, and I would be talking about past continuous today, as you know, it's been a long time since I haven't made any video. So today we'll talk past continuous. So before we start talk of past continuous, I would like to tell you that we need to remember here while and when a lot, because in past continuous tense we use it every time. And we also need to remember our friends. As you know that we have I, we, you, he, she, it, this, that, they, these and those. And here we'll be using was and were a lot, right? And was would be used with all singular first person and third person number, like I, he, she, it would be using was, and you, we, they will be using were. And the formula for past continuous tense will be when it's subject plus was or were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So we need subject plus was or were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. And where do we use past continuous tense? We use past continuous tense to talk about something that was going on in the past, right? And while that was going on, something else came in between and it got interrupted. Like the sentences will be like this: while I was making video yesterday, I got a call from my friend. Or I was riding home yesterday when I met my friend. While I was filming the video, I heard a knock at the door. So this is how we use past continuous tense. So guys, if you have liked my video, kindly share, subscribe my channel, and give me a thumbs up. And let's meet in the next video, guys. Bye bye.